The multiple choice field is a powerful and flexible tool that simplifies the process of adding choices to your forms. The field automatically adjusts its appearance between radio buttons and checkboxes based on your settings, ensuring users will understand exactly how to interact with it. Just drag and drop the field onto your form, then select it to open the field settings. You can use the Edit Choices flyout to add your desired selections. Next, you can use the Selections options to choose how you want users to interact with those choices. By default, radio buttons will be displayed and users will only be able to select one option. However, the field also supports checkboxes and gives users the ability to select multiple choices, an exact number of choices, or even a desired range of selections. When working with the Select One Choice option, you'll also have the ability to enable an Other choice. And when working with the Multiple Choice and Range of Choices options, you can enable a Select All button. And just as a side note, you can also modify the Select All text. Under the Appearance tab, you can choose whether or not you want your choices to appear vertically or horizontally. Finally, this field will also save historic form entries, so if you ever edit, add, or remove options from your form, your historical data will not be lost. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. That's all for this video. Thanks as always for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.